Standard 10, Subject English, Lesson 1.5, Joan of Arc, written by George Bernard Shaw, who was born 1856 to 1950. Joan of Arc by George Bernard Shaw is a play narrating the story of a courageous and undying spirit of a girl, Joan. This extract outlines Joan's bold attempt to convince Captain Robert to allow her to fight the Englishmen. Though the extract we come across is Joan's qualities that make her stand out from the ordinary soldiers. In this lesson, you will see two characters which are very important, and one is Captain Robert and the second is Joan. But before that, I'll just explain you about Captain Robert. Captain Robert, the military officer, is discussing Joan, a teenage girl whom he clearly dislikes. He underestimates the strength and intelligence of this girl and carries some prejudices. But at the same time, he comes across as one who doesn't mind giving the girl a chance to prove herself while he maintains his firmness. And the second part is character of Joan. Joan is a simple peasant girl who is an example of courage, grit and determination. Her belief in God and herself is a greatest strength. We see her patriotism in the way that she convinces Captain Robert to give her orders to raise his siege. Her courage is so contagious that others like Polygon, Squire Jack, Dick willingly offer to join her in the battle. She is straightforward and truthful, filled with optimism. She believes that when God is on her side, nothing can beat them. She is not scared of putting forth her views as she is loyal to France. She is foresighted and good planner. She understands the weakness of French soldiers and is willing to teach them. Joan is a model of what a true patriot can do for her beloved motherland. She is quick at inspiring others through her words. She is so determined to free Orleans that the otherwise stubborn Captain Robert, who is initially not convinced, also agrees to let her join the battle. She has a spark in her and makes others believe that she cannot only work miracles for France, but she herself is a bit of miracle. So now, after explaining these two great characters, now you go to the lesson. As I just told you, the scene which is there begins against the background of 100 years war between England and France. Captain Robert, who is a military officer, keeps discussing with Joan, the teenage girl whom he always dislikes. And it is Steward who always praises for Joan, who has managed to inspire the French soldiers to fight against the English. Joan enters to meet Robert and narrates her plans to him. Robert threatens to put her behind the bars, but she unabashedly bold and straightforward. She informs Robert that Polygon, Jack, Godesaway, Dick and other their servants, John Harcourt, Julian, will accompany her to fight the English. Robert thinks that she has lost her mind because according to him, his men can get the job done better. Robert sends for Monsieur de Poligny and inquires if he was taking Joan seriously. But Poligny explains that there is something about Joan and he thinks that it is a good idea to let Joan meet Dauphin in Chinon, as Dauphin is scared and wouldn't fight to stop English. He believes that Joan herself is a bit of miracle who could miraculously free Orleans. But however, Robert was not convinced. He tries to scare John, but she seems unafraid and tells him that if God is on your side, nothing is difficult. John points out that their French soldiers would run away to save their skins, but she would teach them to fight for France. Finally, Robert decides to take a risk at the insistence of Polygony and gives John a chance as there is something about her that is extremely convincing. And she would always say that she would not only want soldiers but even she wants to bring victory to her country. Thank you.